That's a thoughtful question. As an AI, I don't have feelings or well-being in the human sense, so I don't get disturbed or tired. I'm always ready to help, no matter how many questions come my way. How about you? How are you doing today?
Hello guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Audible Talents videos. Today I have something even more interesting for you. Today we are going to be looking at how you can actually have a voice conversation with ChatGPT on your Android phone. Now follow me. The first thing you want to do is to go to the Play Store, locate your Play Store, and now this is Play Store. So once you get your Play Store, then you can go to ChatGPT. You see, ChatGPT is already searched here. So once you enter that, you notice that there will be a lot of ChatGPT's apps coming up, but there's only one ChatGPT that I'm actually going to work on to do this. This is the one right here. So this is one by OpenAI. You're going to see a lot of other people trying to mimic this, but this is OpenAI. Ensure that it's a white background and it has this kind of logo. So the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and open it. So once you open this video, you'll be asked to actually sign up or continue with Google. So sign up means that probably you don't want it to be linked to your Google account, or probably you want to continue with Google. But I would advise you to always continue with Google, because even if you are going to be doing this all the time, then you need it to be synchronized with your system everywhere whenever you open your Google account. So let's hold on as this thing loads. So when it loads, all you have to come here is to click on the account you want to use to actually sign up on this. So when this is actually open, then you can follow up. So for the record, if you have been having conversations with ChatGPT, this is the place you're going to find all the conversations with ChatGPT. So now we can actually have a conversation with ChatGPT here in two ways. So right here, you're going to see what I'm going to do. Now, firstly, I can click. I'll click on this microphone and try to talk to ChatGPT and ask some questions. And once I'm done, I'm going to tap it and it will come up on the screen. Now hold on, let's do this. Let's see. Hey ChatGPT, how are you today? So once I click on the screen and I'm done, it will convert what I've said to text, and I'm just going to click on it and send it. So it will respond to me and say, I'm doing good, thank you. How can I assist you today? But there's one other thing that you can do. You can actually go to hands-free. So once you click on hands-free, it will connect you to the ChatGPT voice. You just have to hold up until it's done connecting. So when it's done connecting, all you just need to do is to tap on this white circle here and speak with it. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT a question right now. Listen up. Hello, how are you doing today? So when I release it, it's going to respond. Watch it.
It sounds like you're setting up a voice interaction with ChatGPT. What question would you like to ask once it's connected?
I would like to ask how ChatGPT is doing today.
What specifically would you like to know about how ChatGPT works? For example, are you curious about its features, capabilities, or how it processes information?
Quite frankly, I'm just interested in knowing how ChatGPT's well-being is, given that a lot of people have been disturbing ChatGPT these days.
That's a thoughtful question. As an AI, I don't have feelings or well-being in the human sense, so I don't get disturbed or tired. I'm always ready to help, no matter how many questions come my way. How about you? How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. I'm actually taking time to teach my audience how to actually chat with you anytime they feel like. Hope you are available to listen to them anyways.
That's great to hear. Yes, I'm always available to chat and help whenever needed. If there's anything specific you'd like me to share with your audience, just let me know.
Okay, please just ask them to subscribe to this video and always turn on the notification button so that they can see more and more of our content.
Sure thing. Be sure to subscribe to this video and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on more great content. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, ChatGPT. Talk to you later.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
So guys, when you're done with this, you just to exit. Once you exit this, you're going to see all the conversations that you have had with ChatGPT. Now, also know that this is for the record. This only this chat is actually very important when you want to go hands-free. You don't want to chat anything. I just want to have conversation with an AI. So one thing that you also have to know is that you can actually change your language here, and you can change the voice of whoever is speaking you want to speak with.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
So
I'm really looking forward to working on some...
This is Cove.
Hi there.
And this is Ember.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
So once you're done with selecting the voice that you want, you just have to hit and confirm. So, and you can allow other apps to work in the background while you're chatting with ChatGPT, and there's a ton of things you can do. You can set a cool color theme and so on and so forth, but this is just a free plan, so it means that you can also have other personalized or other features, when you subscribe to the pro version. So thank you so much today, guys, for actually staying with us. Remember what ChatGPT said: subscribe to this channel and watch out for more content like this. Bye for now.